Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to unravel the concept of predictive maintenance, its significance, and how you can effectively implement it in your organization. We'll also touch upon the 7 crucial steps to kickstart your journey towards predictive maintenance. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team seeking to optimize your facility's performance and anticipate potential equipment breakdowns, this video will be your comprehensive guide. Let's dive in. Predictive maintenance is more than just a strategy. It's a culture. It's a culture that is cultivated by forward-thinking executives and a dedicated, trained team of technicians. A well-established preventive maintenance system with smooth processes and high schedule compliance provides a solid base for predictive maintenance efforts. The key to success is starting small with a critical asset and piloting a well-thought-out, planned program first. It's also crucial to establish a continuous implementation and improvement process to keep steps well documented for easy knowledge transfer. Now, you might think of predictive maintenance as a way to anticipate potential breakdowns and failures in equipment, but it's much more than that. Predictive maintenance is a philosophy that focuses on using your actual asset operating conditions to optimize your facility as a whole. To establish a predictive maintenance mindset and culture, you need strong, visionary, and expert leadership, as well as a trained, motivated maintenance team. Once you have the right people in place, you'll need to look at the processes and technologies you're currently using. If you're operating in a primarily reactive maintenance mode, you'll need to move to a preventive maintenance program first. You'll also need the right tools to handle new processes on your complex assets. Implement or refine your CMMS, that is, your computerized maintenance management system, to serve as the foundation of your maintenance upgrade and help support predictive maintenance technology. Now let's imagine your organization has laid a strong foundation. You've adopted the predictive maintenance attitude. Technicians work regularly to identify issues before they become problems, and emergency work orders are minimal. Your mature maintenance system helps processes run smoothly, and schedule compliance is high. You have some reliable historic data and a solid handle on your machines and assets. Essentially, preventive maintenance is the norm. So what's next? Here are 7 simple steps to get started. First, start small. Select 1 or 2 critical assets to pilot through an initial predictive maintenance implementation. This allows you to take steps slowly and address mistakes without affecting a large number of assets. Second, identify predictive maintenance-ready assets. Determine which assets are ready for or deserving of a place in your new predictive maintenance program. Third, identify the resources required to implement a predictive maintenance program. This includes labor, materials, facilities, technology, and training. Fourth, implement asset monitoring and begin data collection. Monitor the pilot asset over as much time as you can before implementing your predictive maintenance program. This baseline data becomes crucial as it is the foundation for your entire pilot program. Fifth, create machine learning algorithms to predict failures. Using the data you're collecting with your new sensors, you can develop algorithms that will predict equipment failure before it actually occurs. Sixth, apply the predictive analytics to your pilot asset. Sensors collect data and send it to the cloud. Predictive maintenance algorithms are applied to your data center, and reports and insights are generated. Finally, establish a continuous implementation and improvement process. Once you've experienced some success, you'll want to put into place a cycle of implementation and improvement as you bring your other critical assets on board. In a business climate where markets grow more competitive each day, a predictive maintenance program and culture will give adopting companies a significant advantage. Start with fostering the right philosophy, invest in solid technology, and establish your program in small, methodical, and measurable steps. You'll be surprised at how quickly you'll build momentum within your organization once you start experiencing bottom-line results. Thank you for watching this video. Today, we've explored the concept of predictive maintenance, its significance, and the steps to effectively implement it in your organization. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, the journey to predictive maintenance starts with the right mindset, the right team, and the right tools. We're here to help you every step of the way.